Do you have a spouse who is never interested in matching clothing with you? If yes, then you are the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you practical tips on how to still match clothing with this spouse without them even realizing. My name is Peace Amewowor. You are welcome to my channel. Let's dive into today's video. Personally, when I was single, one of the things I really liked about couples was when they are wearing matching clothing. So when I got married, I was looking forward to always be matching clothing with my husband. But guess what? He's not the type that wants to consciously decide that today let's wear matching clothing or something like that. And his reason was that the fact that you wear matching clothing is not a sign that you have a good marriage or something good is happening with you guys. But you know, he couldn't really convince me with that reason because it's something that I've always wanted to do. Luckily for me, my husband is a planner. When we are going out, assuming it's a Sunday service, by Saturday he's already planned everything he's going to wear. So he will start ironing his clothing. However, I am a spontaneous person. I don't plan my clothing ahead of time. So on the day that I'm actually going out, it's on that day that I'll go and stand by the wardrobe and start looking at and start deciding what should I wear, what should I wear. Initially, I thought, my husband is really a good planner, and as a lady, I'm not like that. So I thought it was a setback for me. It wasn't a good thing. But then, you know, God has a sense of humor. God will always give you a spouse who will compliment you. So I had to look at the positive side of the different traits that we have, which is he is a planner, I am spontaneous. Anytime you have seen us as a couple, maybe in church, or we're going for a program, or we're going somewhere, or we're going to the restaurant, and we have matched, it's more of me copying what he's wearing than it being a conscious agreement. I always have to wait and see what he will choose first, and then I'm matching. When I go to choose my outfit, he doesn't tell me that, oh, why are you matching my clothing? No, he doesn't say that. Okay. And I think that sometimes the reason why some spouses may not want to match clothing is because they feel it's a lot of work for them to now be planning and thinking, you know. So you, the one who want to match the clothing, take the pressure off them. Always wait. Even if you are the planner, your husband is spontaneous, always exercise patience. Wait and see what he will choose first. Once he chooses his clothing, then you go and check whatever you have that can match that clothing to help you still have what you want. So the only time we've actually agreed a matching clothing is when it's a whole family thing. So for instance, some of our events, we and our kids were matching clothing, and those ones I had to go online, search for the outfit, and show him, hubby, this is what I'm planning for us to wear as a family to our hangout or our event or our conference as a family. So with that one, again, he's not putting in efforts. It's more of me putting in the hard work to search for the clothing, and then we all as a family match. The purpose of marriage is about the two becoming one flesh. So for me, I feel when we match clothing, it's just another sign of unity. Even in a company where people wear uniform, or in a church choir or protocol, or any department where people are wearing uniform, the main reason is for unity. It just shows that you believe in the vision of this company or this organization or this department, and you are willing to comply by the rules and regulations and everything else that will sell this vision in a way that is professional or appealing to the general public or to your audience. And in most cases, you can't go to those departments and start wearing your own clothing, especially on special occasions where everybody is wearing a uniform. If you start saying, I want to wear my own thing, all that they will say about you is that you are not serious. You don't want to be part of this, you know, this group. Yeah. So for me, I just see it as a sign of unity and your willingness to be a part of this beautiful thing that God has instituted. Marriage is one of the beautiful things, and you know, for me, I just love to see that unity in everything we do, including the clothing that we wear, even if it's not everyday matching. Once in a while, on special occasions, as a couple, we should be able to match. It's nice, and we are also Africans, and that is one of the things that Africans we are known for. You know, when we wear our traditional clothing and we match, it's an African thing. So why not once in a while incorporate that in our activities? If your spouse is happy for you guys to match clothing, it's nice, it's good. However, it shouldn't create a rift between you and your spouse. It shouldn't bring a problem, an issue whereby you are now beginning to feel like my husband doesn't like me, my husband doesn't love me, or he doesn't want people to know that we are married. No, it shouldn't bring that kind of issue between the two of you. It's just a matter of wisdom. You have to choose your battles, yeah, as a couple. Choose your battle. What do you want to become a big deal in your marriage? And this really shouldn't bring issues. If your spouse sincerely does not want any matching clothing at all, and even after you have tried to copy what he's wearing and he's still upset, that's why you're matching clothing with me, then please choose peace over matching clothing. Make sure that your husband or your wife is happy. Just decide to wear whatever you want to wear. Let him wear whatever he wants to wear. But if you're lucky like me and you are still able to find a way to match without your husband being angry or upset, then that is even a bonus for you. If you've been having this issue where you're always having arguments or fighting over matching clothing, I hope I've given you some tips that have solved your issue. So please click on the thumbs up to like the video, leave a comment to let me know what you've learned and how this video is helping you. Let me know your experience with matching clothing and share with your friends. I've also got a lot of educational videos. Please go on the playlist section of my channel and find a video, talk show videos, family videos, cooking videos, prayer videos on this channel that will really help you. So please take your time, go through my channel and find something that would inspire you. I hope to see you in my next video. It's bye for now.